To assess how different milks and alternative liquids affect soap characteristics, I thought I'd run an experiment. I'm making a bunch of 100% coconut oil soaps, replacing 50% of the water content with a range of liquid substitutes and seeing how these additives affect the final soap. I'm Rox. Let's get cracking. Time to try yoghurt in some soap. Just a small amount of extra fat in this, just short of 2% and 6.5% sugar. Now, one of the natural constituents of yoghurt is lactic acid. This is what makes yoghurt taste tangy and is a result of the lactose milk sugar fermenting through bacterial activity. In soap, as you might know, lactic acid becomes sodium lactate, so I'm expecting this to contribute to the hardness of the finished soap. It might be hard to tell though, as coconut oil on its own produces a hard soap anyway. So I'm just adding the yoghurt into the oil. Again, I'm making a 50% liquid substitution, the other half being the water used to dissolve the sodium hydroxide. I'm going to blend that up, add the lye and mix up to the point where everything is emulsified. Bish bash bosh into the mould. Now this took longer to set than I expected, and I thought it would be harder than it is because of the lactic acid. Oops, ignore that. Cooking a few bars as usual, and when I give this a sniff, it smells a bit sulphurous like beer soaps do. Maybe it's something to do with the fermentation process. I don't know, but I'm curious now. I'm going to test this. Now, I think there are more bubbles than in the control soap, but they're more compact. What do you think? It creams up nicely, and I have to say, the way it leaves my skin feeling is great. A bit like the way salt soap leaves my skin feeling. Fresh, with no tackiness or sliminess to it. I love it. That's the yoghurt soap. Cheers for dropping in, and see you next time. Ta-ta!